In the video for today, I'm going to show you 5 websites from which you could get royalty-free music to use for your YouTube videos to attract more viewers and ultimately get more views. YouTube audio library. YouTube has already given you the facility to download audio clips so that you could use it with your YouTube videos. Okay, it also has an editor. That's an amazing thing, right? For now, let's stick to YouTube audio library, okay, to download copyright free music. So this is exactly how you need to get onto YouTube audio library from your YouTube account. So after you log into your YouTube account, you click on the menu button or your profile icon out here, and you get a drop down menu. Click on your channel and you are going to be directed to your channel page for YouTube. Right, you already know this probably. Now once you are on this page, you click on manage videos. Once you do that, you are going to be directed to YouTube Studio. Okay, so on the YouTube Studio to the left here, you would get many options under this menu. You scroll down a bit and you would get an option to get to the audio library from here itself. Click on this option and you are going to be directed to YouTube audio library, from which you could download copyright free music for absolutely free of course and use it for your YouTube videos. Now you need to remember one thing, that whatever music clip you are downloading from here, if there is an attribution required, if you have to give credit to the creator for that sound clip, you need to mention the name of the creator, or whatever you need to do would be mentioned in the description for the title itself. The second website I would be introducing you to for downloading copyright-free music for your YouTube videos is known as bensound.com. One of my personal favorites, because the fact is you don't even have to sign up for this website to download music clips from here. Isn't that amazing? It is, right? So once you are on bensound.com, you are going to be directed to this page on which you could start simply downloading music for absolutely free. But all you need to do is remember, when you are using these clips, you need to credit the creators. So you need to mention this in your description. Okay, music by bensound.com or royalty free music from bensound. Okay, so this is the least that we could do, right? I mean, these guys, they do an amazing job by giving us a lot of high quality sound clips. So if we credit them for their work through our YouTube videos, what is the problem? The third website I would be introducing you to for copyright free music is known as freesound.org. Okay, so you could get onto freesound.org/browse. Once you are on this page, you could actually get a lot of sound clips that you could use with your YouTube videos. Okay, for example, this one here. Okay, once you click on the link for that specific clip or that specific sound, you are going to be directed to the description page. Okay, once you are on this page, I mean, you could create a free account and then you could download this to your computer system or your smartphone, whatever device you are using. And once you download this clip, you could use it for your YouTube videos. Now, something important here is that you need to check out the license. Okay, since this is coming under the Creative Commons license, you could use it for whatever purpose you want to. But as a suggestion, it would be nice if you could give credit to this website or this specific artist in your description. That is going to help these guys grow. So there are a lot of clips that you could download and use it for your YouTube videos from this website. The fourth website I would be introducing you to for copyright free music is known as incometech.com. Okay, IncomeTech is an amazing website again on which you could find royalty-free music or copyright-free music. Once you are on this website, you would get an option to check out royalty-free music. Click on this option out here. You are going to be directed to a page on which you get a collection of sound clips that you could use for your YouTube videos. So you could scroll down a bit to see what all clips are available for you to use for free of cost. cost. And if you are interested in any one of these clips, you could just click on the clip, get onto the description, okay, and you could download this to your computer system or your smartphone to use it for your YouTube videos, okay, as a background music or whatever. But you need to remember that when you are using a clip from this website, if there is something like this mentioned that you have to credit this piece by copying the following to your credits section, just do it, okay? Just copy this and paste it to your description. This actually helps these creators a lot. So like this, there are a lot of clips that you could use to your benefit with your YouTube videos. The fifth website for downloading copyright-free or royalty-free music for your YouTube videos is known as cctracks.com. So it's very simple, cctracks.com. Once you are on this website, you would get a lot of clips that you could listen to and download for your YouTube videos. Now, something again out here you need to remember is to follow the Creative Commons license procedures, okay? So to find all the clips that comes under the Creative Commons license, what you could do is click on any clip out here. Okay, once you are on the page for this clip, you could see here that this clip is not allowed to use for videos that are on a monetization scheme. Okay, so you could click on this info button. Once you do that, you're going to be directed to this page, and you scroll down. You could see here that there is a lot of terms and conditions and whatever. You just click on this link out here, okay, to find all CC BY releases. Now, CC BY releases are video clips that come under complete Creative Commons license that you could use for or use with your YouTube videos, okay? So all these clips under CC BY releases comply with YouTube's terms and conditions for usage of such clips. So you click on this tab, you are going to be directed to a page on which you are going to find all clips permitted for YouTube usage. If you click on any one of these clips, you could see here that you could use this. It doesn't have any restriction, okay? It's a CC license, which means Creative Commons, and you could use this clip to your benefit. I mean, you could use it for your YouTube videos, but nevertheless, what I would suggest is, as an appreciation, since you did not create this track by yourself, right? That's the fact. You've downloaded this from CC Tracks. So if you could credit the creator or this website at least, that is going to help these guys to give us more amazing tracks, right? I mean, that is the least that we could do. So these are the 5 sources for getting copyright-free music to use with your YouTube videos, and I hope this was of some value to you. If you did get some value out of my video for today, I suggest you subscribe to my channel, smash that bell notification icon, and give my video a thumbs up after you share it. So this is it for today. Until my next video, adios, take care.